All right, so we're gonna start out with the base of just frozen banana ice cream. So if you haven't tried it before, all you gotta do is peel a banana, freeze it, and then you can break it up when you put it in your food processor if you want. And then we're gonna add some super special ingredients. I've got some frozen raspberries, which I find are just a really awesome flavor. And then add just a little bit of water. You want just enough to get things going, but not so much that it's gonna be like a smoothie. So process that for a minute and then it should come out nice and creamy and smooth. All right, so that on its own tastes pretty awesome and is really, really nutritious with the raspberries. But what I'm gonna do is take it even further. And my husband likes to call this candy cane ice cream because it reminds him of the candy cane ice cream that he used to love when he was little. So what I'm gonna do is take some goji berries and put them in there. And what happens is when they freeze, they get kind of crunchy and they're gonna get chopped up a little bit with the food processor. So that's where kind of he gets the crunchy candy cane bits. And then I'm gonna also add some fresh mint, which is super nutritious as well. All fresh herbs are awesome. So if you have access to a bunch of fresh herbs, try throwing them into your ice cream or your smoothies. Basil is awesome. Well, it doesn't really look like your typical candy cane ice cream, but it does kind of look like Christmas because it's red with little green flecks in it. And really, the main thing is that it tastes amazing.